Now, a big part of our development plan is tweaking the overall layout and flow of the main site. There are a few key changes that would really help. And one we want to talk about today is located smack dab in the middle of our main site, our maintenance shop. Now our plan is to move our maintenance shop from the heart of camp all the way over to the north edge of the property.
It's a very noisy and bustling place here up at the shop where kids are always running by and guests are congregating. We want to keep all of the heavy traffic, the trucks, the tractors, skid steers, lawnmowers, all that type of stuff out of the main area of camp.
Okay, I'm here at our new maintenance site. A few years ago, this was our junk pile, just a big pile of junk. Over the years, took a lot of work to clean up. So thanks to a generous volunteer who brought his earth mover and our maintenance crew, they were able to clear out all the junk and get the site ready for development. Over the last while, what we have here, we have a few sea cans for storage, some wood piles, a couple other areas that we've moved from the maintenance site to this property. And then just last month we moved the incinerator over here as well. Alright, so a future goal obviously on this site would be to build a maintenance shop. Something that can hold all our lawn equipment, our water truck, and also to be able to do things like oil changes, vehicle maintenance, and just projects for the site. I mean, it's a maintenance shop. We need a lot of maintenance, so it's a good thing.
One of the priorities for the new maintenance shop would be storage. So storage of plumbing parts, electrical parts, and any other type of building maintenance thing that we use every day. Nobody wants to run to town just for a flapper valve, so to have an inventory of all that type of stuff that we use all the time would just create so much more efficiency in our maintenance team. Another thing we'd be looking for in a new shop would be additional space. There's always a project going on in the shop, whether it's a batch of chairs that needs to be refinished, pumps that need new seals, or trucks that need oil changes. The new space would allow my team to tackle all of the broken things and projects that always have to happen at camp to keep things running smoothly.
Now, getting things going out here will take a little bit of road development. What we're going to need from our main drive is a little bit of a roadway coming up to the maintenance site. So we're going to need material and machinery. The estimated cost for this project would be $20,000. Okay, so I'm back at the shop. So once we move our maintenance center over to the north, what are we going to do with the old garage and shop? Well, we have a few ideas. For the garage, we plan on using it as an arts and crafts center. So there's plenty of room for material storage, tables, and we can even add an outdoor awning to be able to work outside. We're talking arts and crafts, woodworking, and any other creative project that would be best suited for a space like this. And it's all at the heart of camp. And the back of the shop would be the perfect spot for our outdoor camp's launch pad. So we could use it to store all the equipment. We could have room outside and inside for prep, for out trips. You can picture things like tent prep, equipment checks, things like fire building, outdoor skill training can start right here at the outdoor camp launch pad. So of course none of these changes would happen without first moving the new maintenance area and having the new maintenance building. That, in the succession of things happening on the main site, is the first domino that needs to fall. Now our maintenance crew has done a ton of work to bring us up to this point, and these bigger projects we believe can start as we build up our support network. So we hope with this project that we'll be able to maintain the standard of excellence that you have come to know and expect at Camp Nakamun. I got a comment from someone who said, you know, these new videos aren't as good as last year's because it's just not as funny. And I was like, well, that's your opinion. So as you sign up for our mailing list, we want to encourage you that even $5 a month would be a huge help to camp. With such a large community, it doesn't take much from each supporter to help us build a foundation moving forward. Now, unfortunately, our current system is not yet able to handle recurring donations. But if you're interested in doing monthly donations, contact the office and they'll set you up. So for moving our arts and crafts facility and our outdoor camp launchpad facility here, what are we going to do with the old arts and crafts and outdoor storage facility? Well, in our next video, we're going to address our plans for the Lakeview Hall.